This is a video I made showing the progress on the addition that I've been drawing. I'll just orbit around a little bit. I started getting the siding on, but I didn't get it all the way around the house in this model. Um, this section right here that's coming out at us, that is the addition. With the windows and the doors, that's the addition. The existing house is just the rectangular portion behind. On the existing house, there's a full basement. We were planning on putting a crawl space under the addition, and we would have to put a deck around because of the location of the door. Right now there's a drop off there, and so we'd have to put a deck around. So I'm going to go through and show all the layers and show how this thing would come together. I'm going to take all the layers off and then turn them all back on. I'm going to start with my, I don't even know what that is. I'll just erase that. Okay. We're going to start, like, this would be the foundation. So the existing foundation is back here. We were planning on putting a crawl space on the new addition, and then around the deck, putting a little partial foundation right there with an access door for the crawl space right here in this area. Well, this would be the access for the crawl space under the deck, and then I never drew in a crawl space access for the foundation. So then the floor framing would look like this. This would be the existing floor framing over the existing basement, and we were planning on bringing new TGIs over the new crawl space. If I turn my footings on, you can see that my footings would support the intermediate beam for the new crawl space floor, and it would be blocked above the beam. Over here you see an existing part of the foundation. The plan was to make the deck go over the foundation like this, so when it wrapped around the house, it served as an entrance to the new addition. So I'm going to turn the walls on, and I'm going to turn the doors on, windows and doors. So this would be the new access in. And I'm going to turn the floor sheeting on. Floor sheeting turned on. Okay, so right now there is a wall right here. We were planning on taking that out. We figured we could take it out because the trusses, they were resting on a bearing girder above that point. So if we took that wall out, as long as we maintained that bearing point right there and right there, we would be okay. And new trusses over the addition. This is how we plan to do the overbuild, with all these rafters drawn in. And then, of course, the roof would be sheeted, and it would look something like this. Okay. The fascia, we plan to put fascia around like this, and we planned leaving the soffit exposed with bird blocks. Let me see if I can show you the bird blocks real quick. Okay, so this would be the bird blocks right here, and then we were just going to drill holes in the bird blocks for ventilation. And as far as siding goes, well, whatever I just did at the beginning of this video, I deleted the siding accidentally. But I'll fix it before I save it again. And anyway, the siding was going to be continuous around the new addition. So that is all the progress I made on the model up to this point. I never got a 2D plan, but I hope that gives you an idea of the add-on as we had discussed. Um, so then we were also planning on putting deck railing because this side over here would be pretty high of a drop off. So that was all I got done in the model for the addition. I'm going to stop the video now.